Hi there, I'm an electrical contractor from Nova Scotia, Canada. I have a customer that wanted to be able to put her microwave and her coffee maker inside of a cabinet. Having live receptacles inside of a cabinet with doors is a code violation and also a safety hazard. So I reached out to the friendly folks at Docking Drawer and ordered 2 safety interlock outlets. They arrived just 3 days later. I've just completed the super easy install of both outlets and can say that I'm impressed with the products. The one on the left is a 20 amp version and I have a circuit tester plugged into it. And this is how it operates. When you close the door, it turns the switch off. When you open the door, it comes back on. I'll now plug it into the 15 amp receptacle and show you the operation of this side. You close the door, turns it off. When you open the door, it turns it back on. This is the first time that I've used this product, and I can say that I'm very pleased with how the installation went and how the finished product ended up.